Welcome back to the episode number 5 of how we build and remodel a 49-room hotel here in Miami Beach. We keep going with the foundation. Last episode, we show you how we did the piles, the helical piles, and now we have here the pile caps already formed out with the rebars, waiting for the concrete that is arriving any moment. Here we have the concrete truck dumping the concrete on the pump, and with the pump moving the concrete all together to the boxes, the file caps that we are pouring now. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell for more updates on how we build and remodel a 49-room hotel in Miami Beach. Thanks for watching.